appropriately, Don't Rain on My Parade. Emily. You didn't understand my question. How old are you?
10.
10. 10 years old?
Yeah.
10.
10.
It's unbelievable. And you've got all these people here with these signs. All of these signs. Did you see that? Look, it says E-N-I-L-Y, but you have no last name because they ran out of yellow cardboard. What happened with the whole Ditzel thing? You people not to pay union wages? You got a D and no what? Pathetic. You should be ashamed of yourselves. Just Emily D, and then you just ran out of creativity?
Well, we didn't want Gabby's family to have to hold
on.
Yeah.
So. Jesse?
Yeah, where does the song come from? Tell the audience.
Funny Girl.
Yes, it's a great song, and it's also a very difficult song. Now this sounded to me, this is not something that you got out of a collection. It sounded to me, and maybe I'm wrong, but I don't think so. This was arranged. Was this arranged? You know what I mean? Did you take the music and have someone arrange it, or do something with it so that it fits you well?
I guess. I kind of.
You don't know?
Yes. I don't.
Well, it sounds like an arrangement. And it worked. I mean, it worked very, very nicely, and you handled it well. That's the reason that I ask. And also, I'd like to say something to the audience about Emily. One of the things that I've noticed with her over these 5 weeks is that she is as, I want to say this in the right way, she is as opinionated as I am.
And she's only 10, dear God.
When she has a piece of music that she wants to do, And maybe, you know, at first you think, well, maybe it's not, she sticks to it until she does it, and it always works out. So good for you, Emily. And that's what you have to do. If that's what you want to do, that's what you do. So I enjoyed it very much.
Thank you.
And you said, when we asked you about your career, like you wanted to be a singer, maybe, but if you couldn't be a singer, you wanted to be a
Teacher.
teacher. I'm just saying, another teacher. Emily Ditzel, thank you.